this day I arrived without Shira. She was busy today. As you can see, it's 11 PM on Saturday, but even next to the clubs it's not crowded. We decided to go to eat at Kokomo's. Leon hasn't been there for a long time. Club managers are bored. This Saturday again very few tourists. Last weekend there was a music festival in Clark and a lot of people came, so the clubs were packed. We hope that there will be free seats in the Kokomo's restaurant.
We can sit in Kokomo's if you want. The stool. Yeah, it's okay here. I don't know, maybe have inside.
Most often, tourists sit here for a very long time and drink one bottle of beer for several hours. We decided to order chicken noodle soup. The price has not changed and is 215 pesos. For comparison, a year ago it cost 125 pesos. In any case, it is a comfortable place to sit and watch different people pass by.